Okay, time to take a look at the Diagnostic VD30 OBD2 reader. So it comes with a USB-A to mini USB cable, and there is the reader. So I do like that this is kind of a simple thing. You just plug the thing in, then you hit read, that will read the codes. You can hit erase, that will erase the codes. So for people that want a nice, simple OBD2 reader that'll just tell them what the problem is with the car, this is going to be a very nice option for that. We got our plug, and that is fixed to the top, so you don't have to worry about this thing coming unplugged and losing the cable. And then we got our mini USB port there on the bottom. So the IM is the IM readiness check, so that's going to check for the emissions to make sure that the drive cycle has been properly updated in case you had to change something on the emissions. So if you just need to get your smog check and you want to make sure you'll be able to pass, you can just hit that button. The help button is we're going into help screen, so we got back, enter, and then all of our directions. So nice and simple. And the manual says that this USB port is just for connecting that OBD2 reader to a laptop or computer. So it does get power just from the port, so that's good. So let's do OBD2. So we got a green check, so there's there. Read codes. Stored codes. No codes. No pending codes. Alright, it says that's not supported, so not a big deal. This is kind of an old car. Let's go down to live data. Okay, so we can see that the load is 62. We got the temperature is 81 degrees. Yeah, so this is showing us everything that, this is actually kind of an advanced OBD2 reader. Just the fact that it can show us all this. That's pretty cool. Let's do an IM readiness check. This driving cycle. All right, so we got okay, bunch of not applicables. And so we got a few incompletes. And so what that means is if we wanted to complete this driving cycle, we'd have to drive until that gave us an actual reading. So very nice having that on here. But since DTC's cleared, so that was just for this driving cycle. Yeah, we got all okays across the board. So it would be no problem for me to take this car in to get the smog check. Cool. Yeah, there's actually, this is a very functional little OBD2 reader. We can do some function checks and exit. Cool. Let's see what the battery will tell us. Oh, that's nice. It actually tells us the voltage on the battery. So we're currently getting 12.41 volts on the battery. So that's awesome. We can actually read the volts without hooking up a multimeter. Cool. So yeah, this is a very nice little OBD2 reader. I'm very happy to have that.